Are there any recent developments or changes that you see or are forthcoming or already have that needs to be attended to?
So just yesterday, the income tax authorities have come out with an action plan wherein they've defined timelines, to make it more convenient for NRIs and for the general public, for general residents as well. Yeah. Now, apart from that, there is, of course, one difficult rule for NRIs which says that, even if they do not have any income taxable at the slab rate, and if they have just capital gains, which happens with a lot of NRIs, because most of their investments are into the stock market or mutual funds. So any income that they generate throughout the year is just capital gains income and no other income. So even if an NRI has just 2 lakh of capital gains income and no other income in India, he still has to pay taxes on that 2 lakh of capital gain, because the basic exemption limit of 3 lakhs is available against other incomes like dividends, rentals,